Video on directions for use for the Xenius machine. To start, the quality of water is essential for enhancing the aroma of your espresso, so we suggest you refill the water tank on a daily basis using clean water. When inserting the capsule, please ensure the edges of the capsule are straight so that it does not block the system. If you wish to have a longer coffee, you can easily pivot the tray, allowing for a larger cup or glass. It is important to eject the Nespresso capsule after every use so that it does not remain in the extraction system. We recommend you regularly empty the capsule container and empty the drip tray in order to avoid overflowing. After using your machine for the last time, simply let a cup of water without a capsule flow through in order to wash away any residue left in the flow system.